Hey guys, do you remember I made video a few hours ago about this headband wig? Now we already saw the hair on the headband wig cap. This one. This one. So let me show you. It's very gorgeous look. And let me pull up the hair. This one. You still remember? This one can secure on your head. It's not easy to fall down. It's just to fit different size of head. This headband wig, this one. So this part normally you use the lace closure, lace frontal, but now because of the lace closure, lace frontal are low stock and ladies cannot find anymore. So we design this, use this to replace lace closure, lace frontal. This wig is very good for ladies who love doing exercise. When you're playing basketball, playing football, or running, or even swimming, you can wear this kind of wig. And this part we have different colors. We will show you different colors and style. Red color, yellow, black, white, different colors, just like the hat with this one. So to me, I think this one is much more convenient to wear, to take off, to wear immediately. It's much better than the hat wig because this wig we can make with 2 bundles or 3 bundles. The volume is totally different. You see, this wig, the volume of the hair is totally different. It's much more. And this hat wig we can only use 1 bundle to make the hat wig. So you see, it's much thinner. So we recommend you for the rest of the year. We recommend you to wear this kind of wig, and I will to wear this wig to show you. This is the inside part of the headband wig. This one is the elastic band. This is the cap construction, as you can see inside. So let me wear this one. As you can see, this so when we saw the hair on the cap, on the headband cap, the hair already pulled back. The hair will not fall in the front. So you see, you can make ponytail. If the hair is longer, you can make a ponytail. See, this look is very gorgeous. This one. It's very easy to adjust on different size of hair. This one, you see. Since we don't have any more lace closure, lace frontal, we just replace this part. It's very casual. Very casual when you're walking outside, you go to work, and you can even wear this one when you're sleeping. Anywhere you go, you can wear this kind of wig. So because this wig, to me, I think is much more convenient, because without the lace closure, lace frontal, you already save money. Only use this headband. The price is much lower without the lace closure, lace frontal. Of course, I understand some ladies like to wear the lace to glue on their skin to look more natural. But according to the situation now, this one. So I will show you this. Can you see this one? So it's very comfortable. Very comfortable. This one. This one. So in the next few days, we will make the wigs in different textures: straight body wave and loose wave. Now this is deep, the deep curve. This is the one. So now a lot of ladies, they are ordering this kind of wig. So do not wait. Do not wait. We're selling a lot now. I think this one, ladies will like it very much. It's very gorgeous. Nice, it's very nice. Okay, see you in the next video.